I think what people truly value in life is success, but everybody labels the word success differently. I think one of the main challenges to having and obtaining success is not having a clear vision of what you're trying to accomplish. And what I learned in going through the challenges I faced in my life is how to turn those struggles into successes. It's about shifting your perspective and your focus so you can become your most authentic version of yourself. What I've created is a framework for building authentic relationships. It's called the CUBE Principle, which is an acronym that stands for Creatively Utilize Your Best Energy. It teaches you a way of looking at people and the things you value in your life differently in order to make the biggest impact. All right, the steps to the CUBE Principle are approaching challenges or goals creatively, utilizing the strengths of the people in your network to extend your reach, and understanding the kind of energy you're putting in the world and what you're focusing on. Why I created the CUBE Principle, quite simply, is to help other people. I discovered a way in which I was doing things where I was able to meet the people I wanted to meet, accomplish the goals I wanted to accomplish, and have a clearer vision than I'd ever had before. So being able to share that with other people in a way that worked for me, I know that I could teach them to do it themselves in a way that made sense for them too.
Marco has introduced his CUBE Principle to us at Seeds and to our students themselves. It actually creates a simple process for them to follow in order to get to the success that they require. It's not gimmicky, there's no tricks to it, it's a matter of steps in what you do. Put one foot in front of the next, and this is how you succeed with doing your presentations. And Marco's done a fantastic job in the way that he has structured his program. It's really universally easy to understand.
So recently I was working with a client who saw my clip in the movie Back in Time on Netflix. She was so inspired by what I had to say in the clip that she paused it, found me on the internet, and told me that the next day she quit her job to become a life coach because she was so inspired by what I had to say.
If you get the chance to work with Marco, then it's a huge experience and you will benefit in more ways than one. Marco is a brilliant man and he's got a brilliant business and he inspires so many people when he goes out and he does his creative work.
He excites people just from coming in the room and the way that he interacts with the crowd. And so many different times I've seen him leave the room and people say, I'm inspired now, I'm ready to go, and they're all excited. And that's just Marco naturally being Marco.
I think why people want to be the most authentic version of themselves is so that they are remembered for who they truly are. You're only as good as the last person that remembers you. So if you're remembered for the things that you've done to impact the world, it's so much stronger than how much money you made, how perfect your Instagram photos look, what's going on in your newsfeed. None of that matters, because at the end of the day, people are going to remember for what you did and how you made them feel.